Hello again guys. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to post a reel on Instagram. So if you want to start like a creator on Instagram, Reels will help you out to grow faster. First thing that you need to do is to check if your Instagram is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and find Instagram. If there is a button update, click on it and wait a couple of seconds till Instagram installs all features and updates. Now let's open the Instagram. At the bottom, you can see the navigation menu. In the center, click on this plus button. At the bottom, click on Reel. Now you can capture some video or you can upload a video from the gallery. I will upload a video. Click here on the down left corner. Here you can see all media from your gallery. Choose your video. Down here you can crop your video. After you finish with cropping, at the top right corner click on the Add button. Here you can add another video so you can make a little collection. I will use only this one. After you add another video, click on Next. Here at the top you can edit your video. To add a song or voice, click on the melody icon. List of popular songs will show up. At the top you can use various options. For example, you can add your voice to maybe explain content on your video. After you finish with editing, click on Next. Here you can add captions and tags for the tour reel that I recommend to use, so viewers can easily find you. And you are good to go. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, follow our channel. See you.